Carmine Persico, known as the Snake, was a notorious figure within the American Mafia, specifically the Colombo crime family. Renowned for his astute leadership and cunning, Persico was involved in a plethora of criminal activities throughout his career. This video delves into the modus operandi of Carmine Persico, exploring the strategies, tactics, and methods he employed to maintain control and thrive within the criminal underworld. Strategic alliances and manipulation. Carmine Persico's success can be attributed, in part, to his ability to build strategic alliances and manipulate relationships within the mafia. He was known for his shrewd decision-making and ability to navigate the complex dynamics of organized crime. Persico leveraged connections and alliances to consolidate his power, ensuring his influence extended not only within the Colombo crime family but also throughout the broader criminal network. Operating with a code of silence. One of the defining aspects of the mafia is the code of silence, known as omerta. Carmine Persico adhered strictly to this code, utilizing it to shield his criminal activities from law enforcement. This code, which emphasizes loyalty and secrecy, allowed Persico to instill fear and loyalty among his subordinates. It also ensured that any potential informants or traitors would face severe consequences. Rigorous enforcement and elimination of rivals. Maintaining control in the mafia requires the ability to eliminate rivals and potential threats. Carmine Persico was notorious for enforcing discipline within his organization, swiftly and ruthlessly eliminating anyone deemed disloyal or a danger to his power. He tightened his grip on the Colombo crime family through a series of violent acts, including ordering hits on rival mobsters and even alleged informants within his own ranks. Diversification of criminal enterprises. Carmine Persico understood the importance of adapting to changing times and keeping his criminal enterprises diverse. While traditional activities such as loan sharking and extortion remained part of his operation, Persico expanded into new areas of criminality, including drug trafficking and illegal gambling. By diversifying his operations, he not only increased his revenue stream but also solidified his position within the mafia hierarchy. Influence from behind bars. Despite facing lengthy prison sentences, Carmine Persico's influence did not waver. With his ability to communicate with his subordinates, he continued to exert control over the Colombo crime family from behind bars. Through coded messages, trusted intermediaries, and covert methods, he managed to orchestrate criminal activities and maintain his authority, demonstrating his enduring power and influence. Conclusion. Carmine Persico's modus operandi within the mafia world embodied the traits of a criminal mastermind. Employing strategic alliances, manipulation, rigorous enforcement, and diversification of criminal enterprises, he navigated the treacherous waters of organized crime, solidifying his power and influence. His strict adherence to the code of silence, combined with his ability to govern from prison, showcased his unwavering commitment to the criminal underworld. The legacy of Carmine Persico serves as a reminder of the complex and often ruthless nature of the mafia. His modus operandi sheds light on the intricacies of organized crime and the individuals who rose to the top, commanding respect and fear in equal measure.